You have been selected for the Junior Marketing Associate position at Apex Legends. I got it. I got it! Hi,
Hey,
Jake.
Alex.
Yo, what's up?
So,
They hired me. After months of rejection, I finally got my dream job.
it's nice.
Work starts tomorrow, by the way.
Congrats, Alex.
Hi, I'm Alex, the new hire. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
Alex, welcome to the grind, kid.
It's my pleasure to meet you all. I'm excited to see everyone tomorrow.
Don't get your hopes up, rookie. The boss doesn't care about your dreams. Just hit your quotas.
This isn't what I imagined. But I'm not giving up that easily. Liam, how long have you been here?
Long enough to know that enthusiasm class.
But don't you want things to change? What if we make this place exciting again? Hey Jay,
Yeah.
this office feels lifeless. Has anyone tried improving morale?
We try. It's a part, it's honest. But Mr. Grayson believes result conquers. People don't stay on hold.
That's exactly why we need to change things.
No stress is so. We won't face this place.
No. I'm not giving up yet. What a tiring day. Hey Ben, I've been thinking, what if we started with small changes? Little things to boost morale and remind people why they work here.
Sounds great. But Mr. Grayson will
Yeah.
probability doesn't directly boost their
What
revenue.
if we started with small changes? Then I'll prove it works, one step at a time. share one thing that we're proud of from yesterday, even if it's small.
Didn't seem quite care, but this feels good.
Hey, I didn't know Jake landed that big plan. Nice work.
Liam, can I ask you something? Why do you keep pushing back?
I've seen people like you come and go. They get all hyped up and burn out. Why should I care?
Because this job isn't just a paycheck. It's where we spend most of our lives. Don't you want to make it better?
Let's see, Alex, if you can actually keep this up. Hey, Alex.
Hey, Jay.
You're really stirring things up around here. People are talking again and collaborating.
That's the idea. But, it's a long way to go.
What if I pitched in this to Mr. Grissom? Well, he'll listen to you and believe in it also. Well, speak for themselves.
That's a great idea, Jay. Thank you.
Alex, I've noticed some unusual activities on your floor. Morning meetings, notes on desk, curtains cleaning.
Yes, sir. It's all part of an environmental class. When people feel valued, they work harder and stay longer.
Interesting theory. But does it impact results?
Actually, yes. When the sales have gone up 15% since this month.
Keep it up. Then I'll consider giving you more responsibility. So let me know.
Thank you, sir.
Hey Alex, I'm proud of you. Never thought I'd see this office feel like a team again. Yes, you proved me wrong, Alex.
Yeah, I wasn't just alone. We did this all together. This isn't about me. It's about us. We've proven that change is possible when we believe in each other. This is just the beginning.